How to fix Snapchat not sending messages. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, simply go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it, scroll below and then tap on General. Once you're inside General, simply tap on iPhone Storage. Now once you're inside iPhone Storage, search for Snapchat and then tap onto it. Now once you're here, simply tap on Upload App and then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you free up the storage used by Snapchat and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once uploading the application is done, make sure to reinstall the application in your mobile device again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open App Store. Once you open it, in the search bar search for Snapchat. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you simply want to go ahead and tap on update and let your Snapchat application update to its latest version. Now once the updating is done, head back to your home screen and then open Settings again. Inside Settings, you want to go ahead and tap on General and then tap on Software Updates. You want to go and check if your software is up to date or not. Once you're done checking it, if you find any updates, you want to make sure that you update your software. Now, head back to your home screen and then see if your issue is resolved or not. If not, long press Snapchat application, tap on Remove App and then tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete again and then your Snapchat application will get deleted from your device. Once it is deleted, you want to go ahead and reinstall the application from App Store or Play Store. And that should definitely fix your issue. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.